something cool you can do with a coin and a ring. So just check those out for us. If I take those back, and just hold on to the ring for me please, and I'll put the coin next to the ring. Now hold the coin. Now just push those two together, and that's it. Now twist. You should feel this happen. See, they merge and become one. So they're now totally fused, they won't come apart. But let's try this. Hold your hand out for me please. You should see. There's the coin, there's the ring, and we're back to where we started.
But this is just an illusion. This actually doesn't really happen. And if I get them, I can split them apart, just like that. Hey John, can I give you a little hand over here for a sec? I have a little chain. Can you put your finger out like that? There you go. I'm just gonna put it like that. Now I have the ring, which is made out of a coin. Okay. And the weirdest thing, I have a coin that was made out of a ring. I'm gonna loop this right through the ring like that. And can you put your finger on like your thumb? There we go. Now I do have a coin over here. You can hear right on the ring and watch. Just like that. It lands right there. And that's how you put the coin and the ring together.